YouTube, I'm back. Today I'm going to replace the engine for the Tim Lozy buggy. I have the R5R engine over here. This is gonna be installed in this buggy. So hopefully everything will work. And recently I upgraded this front and rear shocks, shock tower. I have to replace the front and shocks also for the next project. So hopefully I was able to do that. And it's very difficult to find the parts for this. Make sure you have your manual. If you're looking for 4.0 buggy, you check it in the Horizon Hobby, and you see the manual over there, or search it for 4.0. You see all the parts in there. Make sure the right number, parts right. Make sure it's a right parts number. Every time when you get the shocks or any upgrades, so make sure it's the right part. So don't assume that that's the one, the picture, get the parts number so that you don't get mistakes. So yep, hopefully everything is doing good, and hopefully today will work. And then I already installed the turbo plug over here. Yeah, this is a different plug. So I got the Nova Rosy plug in there, glow plug. I installed it, so hopefully it will work. Should be work because it's a turbo. Hopefully, I don't know. I got the make sure your igniter is plugged every time. Every time you use it, plug it right away, so that you don't forget. All your equipment, all the batteries should be plugged. That's the very important part. Check the spin wheel if it's still good. Then if it's is it worn out, then you have to replace it before you spin the engine over here, or you start in a bump box. If you got a bump box, you make sure check everything. Make sure check the battery, and you check the flywheel, the wheel over here. Make sure you check it. Make sure it's not worn out. Then if not, then you have to replace it. Yep, I got the GoPro. Got the GoPro over here, but I don't know. Yep. Yeah, everything is okay. So yeah, I would like to have a shout out for Mr. Little Chili, Big Papa Paul, Mr. Island Duke, RC.